This week, I'm really excited to be on board Royal Caribbean's brand new ship, Legend of the Seas. Now, Royal Caribbean, that's a cruise line that's really exciting for families. Lots of things to do for the parents, for the children, for everybody. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you on the little tour of the best areas of the ship, the best facilities for children and their parents. So come along with me. So we're starting this tour on deck 6, Surfside neighborhood. This is where, if you have younger children or maybe younger teens, that's where you're going to spend a lot of your time. It's great fun. You've got the arcade, you've got the carousel, you've got places where you can eat, you've got ice cream, and you've got also smaller water slides and splash areas for the younger ones. It's great fun. So, Frill by name, Frill by nature. Frill Island was actually way too noisy for me to record this clip. So I've had to come to a quieter area, Chill Island, which is thankfully a lot quieter. What can you expect from Frill Island? Well, Frill Island is on deck 16. Well, the number one thing you'll find there is category 6, the largest water park at sea. Amazing, amazing rides. Now, keep in mind there are some height restrictions, so the younger children, they won't be able to go on those bigger slides. For them it's more splash away bay that we've looked at earlier on in the Surfside neighborhood. But those slides, they're phenomenal, they're absolutely great fun. What else do you have? You have Los Dunes. So Los Dunes is a crazy golf course. That was my daughter's favorite. She absolutely loved that, just sort of playing the golf balls and the clubs, sort of like pirate ships, volcanoes. It's all really good fun. The water park, category 6, and the crazy golf, they are included in your cruise fare, so you don't have to pay anything to utilize those facilities. Another one, actually another two that are free, are two staples of Royal Caribbean. You've got the FlowRider surf simulator and you've got the rock climbing wall. Both of those are also on Frill Island. Now, Crown's Edge is for those who are not scared of heights, for those who are the braver amongst you, where you are zip wiring along or over the edge of the ship, and you are being attached at a height that translates to just about deck 17, so you have to think you're high above water, so don't do it if you're scared of heights. And also note that Crown's Edge is not included in your cruise fare, so you would have to pay for that. Okay, so this is Chill Island, not a neighborhood specifically designed for family or children, but still something where I believe families will spend a fair bit of time. It's not without a sense of fun either, as you can see from this slide here. Alright, let's check it out. Until now, we've spent a lot of time outside, from Surfside to Frill Island. Great fun for all the family. There's a lot of fun happening inside also on Legend of the Seas. Behind me, you've got Absolute Zero, one of the largest ice arenas at sea. Fantastic shows that you can see there, really, really interesting and fascinating for the whole family. Yesterday we went to the Royal Theatre and we were treated to one of the first performances of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Incredible production value, the show looked fantastic, and it's worth booking a cruise on Legend of the Seas just for that show. And finally, you've got the Aqua Theatre, which on the Icon class is within the Aqua Dome. Again, there you can see high divers, you can see aerialists, really thrilling show. Extremely, extremely entertaining, and something that your entire family will love, no doubt. As you can expect from Royal Caribbean, the focus on families does not end at what you can do on board. It extends to where you sleep. There's a huge array of cabins suited for families, from interior to ocean view balcony all the way to suites. Now on this cruise, I stayed on a Family Infinite Ocean View balcony. Now the brochure tells you that fits up to 6 people. Now personally, I think it would be a little bit of a squeeze, but for 4 or 5 people in a family, so 2 adults and 3 children, perfect. What you have is 1 king size bed, 1 sofa bed, and bunk beds. The bunk beds each have their individual TV, so if you want to watch a movie whilst your daughter watches Frozen for the 50th time, then you can do so, no problem. There's also a chalkboard, and the cabin itself is spacious and a lot of fun. But the accommodation that has been turning a lot of heads on this cruise is the ultimate family townhouse. Now let's be clear, this one is not for everybody. A week-long cruise in that accommodation can cost up to $75,000, so quite a high price point. But for that price, you get an entire townhouse sleeping up to 8 guests. You get an in-suite slide, that's absolutely crazy. You also get a home cinema, you get a private balcony with, or private terrace with a hot tub. So fantastic, free bathrooms also. So incredible. This one has had people really swooning over it. So here you have it, my family review of a cruise on board Royal Caribbean's latest ship, Legend of the Seas. Would I recommend it? Absolutely. I can't think of a better family holiday. But what did you think? Are you convinced? Are you going to give Legend a go? Let us know in the comments.